Hello, this is John from TC Math Academy, and in this particular video we have a nice little interesting algebra problem. So let me go ahead and read the problem. It says if x minus 2 is equal to 7, then 2x minus 2 is equal to what? So this is not a trick problem, but a lot of you might get confused on what to do here. But don't give up so easily, all right? Give this some, 30 seconds, a minute, whatnot. But if you can answer this correctly, go ahead and put your answer into the comment section. I'll show you the correct answer in just 1 second. Then I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to solve this problem. Also, if you need math help with the course you're taking, test prep, or homeschooling, make sure to check out my math help program at tcmathacademy.com. You can find a link to that in the description below. And if this video helps you out, or if you find it interesting and exciting, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that definitely helps me out. Okay, so here we go. If x minus 2 is equal to 7, then 2x minus 2 is equal to what? What is that value? Well, the answer is 16. Okay, so hopefully most of you out there got this correct. Don't feel bad if you didn't get this right. You're probably maybe overthinking this problem, but if you got this right, let's go and give you a nice little happy face, an A plus, a 100%, and multiple stars, so you could tell your friends and family that you know a thing or two about if-then statements. So in mathematics, and basically in another topic that's related to mathematics, if then, that topic, by the way, is logic, and all of this is kind of a subset of philosophy. But basically, if then statements are what we call conditional statements. Okay, this is a conditional. So basically, if if your pet is a dog, all right, let's just kind of do some sort of basic example here. And this is really not relevant to how to solve this problem, but some of you might get kind of tied up with the if-then conditional statements, right? If your pet is a dog, then we can make a conclusion, right? This if is our hypothesis, and then we have a conclusion. So if your pet is a dog, then your pet has four legs, right? Something like that, or should have four legs. Four legs. You get the idea. This is what we call a conditional statement, right? So some of you are like, "Oh, wow, I got if, then I have then." Well, to solve this problem, it's not that difficult. Although this is a conditional statement, some of you are probably thinking along the lines of like if, then, whatnot. Don't let that confuse you. Let's go and take a look at the answer. If x minus 2 is equal to 7, then what is 2x minus 2 equal to? Well, if x minus 2 is equal to 7, this is an equation, right? We have enough information to solve for x. So let's go to solve for x here, right? So what is x? X minus 2 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 9, right? To solve this basic linear equation, all I have to do is add 2 to both sides. So x is equal to 9, all right? So here, I could have kind of write if x is equal to 9, then what is 2x minus 2? Now, if I gave you this question right here, if x is equal to 9, then what is this? Most of you would like, oh, this is super easy. But because it's in this form, it maybe confused you a little bit. But let's go and just finish up the problem. So x is equal to 9. Well, if x is equal to 9, then 2x minus 2 is equal to what? Well, all we have to do is replace this x with a 9. So we'll just plug in a 9. For that x, that's going to be 2 times 9, which of course is 18, minus 2 is in fact 16. Okay, so I kind of went off not too much on a tangent here, because if you didn't know what a conditional statement is, an if-then statement, that is very important, especially when you study subjects like logic. This really gets it's a pretty big topic as well in geometry when you start looking at different statements and deductive logic and things like that. So if you want to know more about if-then statements, kind of has, how to write them and deeper study of them, I would point you towards my full geometry course. But kind of the bigger picture here with respect to this particular problem is anytime you have a problem that seems confusing on a test or a quiz or in general, try to stand back and maybe think about it in a different way. All right. So if you're thinking, the way you're thinking about it isn't kind of yielding any kind of ideas on what to do, it's difficult to do, but try to stand back and like, all right, I'm going to come at this problem in a different way. Try to simplify it. But this is all part of kind of the adventure of studying mathematics or anything that is complicated. Okay. Sometimes you have to try to force yourself to see other patterns. Okay. We get kind of what we call tunnel vision, right? But, anyways, hopefully most of you got this correct. And if you need additional help with algebra or geometry, again, check out all my courses at tcmathacademy.com. But with that being said, I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.